For these questions, you need to know how to factor polynomials with a coefficient of 1. So when they don't have a number there, the coefficient is just 1 on the leading coefficient, the one that has the biggest exponent. And so all you do to factor these, you've got to find the two numbers that when multiplied together equal negative 35, but combined equal positive 2. And we're going to practice this a few more times, but that's the only real hard step of this. And so there's a cheat that you can use in an ACT in that just looking at the answers, we probably know what those two variables are going to be based on what they have as our numbers. So 7 and 5 is certainly going to be what these two numbers are. We just have to figure out if they're going to be positive or negative. And the 7 needs to be bigger so that when we add them together, it's going to come out to positive 2. Remember, you're looking for the two numbers that when multiplied together equal negative 35, but when added together are going to equal that positive 2. Okay? And so now we're just going to do x plus 7, x minus 5. We're just going to take the x's and make two different factors, and then you're done. So this is our answer, x plus 7, x minus 5, giving us answer A. So we're going to practice this a little bit more. We're going to practice factoring a little bit more. So I want you to go ahead and do this one. So see if you can factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. I'll give you a second to do that, and then I'll work it out. All right, so we're looking for the number that the two numbers that when multiplied together equal 6, but when combined equal 5. So that's going to be 3 and 2. So 3 times 2 is positive 6. 3 plus 2 is positive 5. And so now all we're going to do is do x plus 3, x plus 2, and that is a factored trinomial. Let's do it again. Let's just see you can absolutely do this. Let's just keep working at it until it clicks. All right, so go ahead and factor this trinomial. Again, we're looking for the two numbers that when multiplied together equal negative 10, but when added together equal negative 3. So that's going to be negative 5 and 2, because negative 5 times 2 is equal to negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 3. And then we're just going to put them in a factor. X minus 5, x plus 2, and that is that one factor. We'll do one more here. You can absolutely do this. We'll do x squared minus 8x plus 15. Go ahead and try this on your own. Pause the video if you need to. All right, we're going to find the two numbers that multiply together to become positive 15 and add together to become negative 8. So this is a little bit tricky because they're both going to need to be negative so that when we multiply together, they become positive, but when we add them together, they are negative. And so it's x minus 5, x minus 3 is going to be the factored form of this trinomial. If you're still not getting this, it's probably good to go ahead and just skip these. Skip this question. Don't add it to your worksheet. That's totally okay. If you are getting it, but you want a little bit more practice, go ahead and do the AI generated practice problems, add it to your worksheet, go back 5.